महाराष्ट्र आपला वेबवाणी घेऊन आली आहे माहिती मनोरंजन व ताजा घडामोडीचा खजाना। गल्ली ते दिल्लीच्या घडामोडीचा आढावा थेट आपल्यापर्यंत। तर मग बघत रहा, ऐकत रहा महाराष्ट्र आपला न्यूज वेबवाणी।
Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Maharashtra Webvani. This is Preeti Sabe. Let's all look towards today's top news. There is a steady decline in the fresh cases of coronavirus in Maharashtra. In view of this, the process of unlocking has been announced in some districts of the state. The unlock process in Maharashtra will take place in 5 phases. From Monday, the lockdown restriction will be relaxed in the state based on the positivity rate and availability of oxygen beds. Twitter has apologized for withdrawing blue tick from Vice President of India Venkaiah Naidu's personal handle after IT Ministry interfered and raised questions over Twitter's policy. The microblogging platform had cited that the Vice President's account was inactive for the last 6 months, which led to the in a brilliant portrayal of a dedication, a team of healthcare workers crossed a river while they were on their way to conduct a COVID vaccination drive at a remote area in Khanti block of Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri districts. The visuals of this medic slowly crossing the gushing river have been widely lauded by netizens online. A study published in the medical journal Lancet found that the antibody response to variants is lower in people who have received just one dose, and a longer gap between doses may significantly reduce antibodies against the Delta variant, which is dominant in India. Let's have a short break. US National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan stated shortly after Washington announced its intent to provide the world with 25 million COVID-19 vaccines that the US will not use the move to gain favors from other nations. On the occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June, the United Nations has decided to focus on ecosystem restoration this year. They will highlight the significance of its protection. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore, as this year marks the beginning of the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. While the Modi government is working to ramp up vaccine production in the country to battle the shortage, the Biden administration said that increase in the manufacturing capacity of COVID-19 vaccine in India has the potential to be a game changer well beyond its border. Adar Poonawalla, the CEO of Serum Institute, has thanked the US and India for important policy change that reduces restrictions faced in manufacturing COVID-19 vaccines. He expressed hope that this step will contribute to boosting SWS vaccine production capacity and strengthening united fight against the